Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. The Book of Revelation, Chapter 20. And I saw an angel come down from heaven, having the key of the bottomless pit, and a great chain in his hand. Then he laid hold upon the dragon, that old serpent, which is the devil and Hashatan, and bound him for 1,000 years, and cast him into the bottomless pit, and shut him up, and set a seal upon him, that he should not deceive the nations any more, until the 1,000 years should be fulfilled. But after that he must be loosened a short season. Also I saw thrones and those who sat upon them. Then judgment was given to them. And I saw the souls of those who were beheaded for the witness of Yahushua, and for the word of all, and who had not worshipped the beast, nor his image, nor had received his mark upon their foreheads, or in their hands, and they lived and reigned with the Mashiach for 1,000 years. But the rest of the dead did not live again until the 1,000 years were finished. This is the first resurrection. Blessed and holy is he who has part in the first resurrection. On such the second death has no power, but they will be priests of all, and of the Mashiach, and will reign with him for 1,000 years. Furthermore, when the 1,000 years has expired, Hashatan will be loosened out of his prison, and he will go out to deceive the nations, which are in the four quarters of the earth, Gog and Magog, to gather them together for battle, the number of whom is like the sand of the sea. Then they went up on the width of the earth, and encompassed around the camp of the saints, and the beloved city. However, fire came down from all out of the heavens, and devoured them. Furthermore, the devil, who deceived many, was cast into the lake of fire and brimstone, where the beast and the false prophet are, and will be tormented day and night forever and ever. And I saw a great white throne, and him who sat on it, from whose face the earth and the heavens fled away, but no place was found there for them. And I saw the dead, small and great, stand before all, and the books were opened, and another book was opened, which is the book of life. And the dead were judged out of those things which were written in the books, according to their works. Then the sea gave up the dead who were in it, and death and hell delivered up the dead who were in them. And they, each man, was judged according to their works. Also death and hell were cast into the lake of fire. This is the second death. And whoever was not found written in the book of life was cast into the lake of fire.